Hello everyone. So, do your interior lights stay off when you open the door? In this video, I will show you how you can turn the feature back on and what to check if the lights still don't work for you. So, first of all, you need to start by locating this type of dome light switch near the overhead light assembly. Now you need to make sure that it is set to either door position or the auto position, and it should not be set on the off position. If it is set on the off position, the interior lights won't come on when a door is opened. So you need to make sure that you do this particular setting first. After doing so, you need to manually turn the dome light on using its switch. If the light doesn't turn on, it means that the issue is with the blown bulb or fuse rather than the door switch problem. Now you need to also open each door one at a time and see if the interior lights response. Now many of the vehicles use the door azar switches or the sensors in order to detect when a door is opened. So a faulty switch can prevent the lights from activating. You can also locate the interior light or the courtesy light fuse in your fuse box. So when you're able to find them, you just have to simply replace the blown fuse with the one of the same rating. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.